Alright guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Orange Grove. Yan, ito yung bahay ni Tito Bong. Ganda ng pwesto, di ba? Kantong-kanto lang. Ikot mong ganyan. Ayan, crossing na yan. Ganda, no? Ngayon, doon kami sasakay sa Tacoma na yon. Galing ng bahay ni Tito Bong, no? Protected siya ng San Marino. May mga bahay dito. Ganda. Ang Kuya Francis nga pala yung hatid sundo kami dito. Yun, no? Mga kababayan natin dyan. Pag kailangan nyo ng service, hindi pala.
Tawagan nyo ako.
Baka tawagan ka talaga. Hindi, biro lang yun. Big boss siya dito.
Nagbibiro lang.
Okay. Tabas ito. Sis, thank you so much.
Okay, see you again, ha?
Thank you ha.
Okay.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Ingat.
Good vlogging, ha?
Bye-bye. Nandito na kami ngayon sa airport. Ngayong araw ay pupunta na kami ng Alaska. Yan. So, hintay lang kami ng boarding natin. Napakaganda na experience namin dito sa Hollywood at sa Las Vegas. Buti na lang, napaaga yung punta namin. Maya-maya lang boarding na kami at see you guys at Alaska.
Hi, welcome to Alaska. Wala pa rin tatalo sa Alaska.
We're here at Alaska. Ang dami pong yellow taxi. Ngayon pupunta kami doon sa meeting point namin sa hotel at 7 minutes away lamang. Napakahaba ng biyahe mula doon sa Los Angeles papunta dito. Mag-stopover pa kami ng shuttle at ngayon nandito na kami sa may Anchorage, Alaska. Dumating na yung ating service. Ayan oh, laki ng van natin dito. Dami palang Pilipino dito oh. Kabayan, kamusta? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Pampanga.
Oh, Pampanga. Kababayan ni Tito Bong. Kasya pa ba? Pwede yung sa akin sa bubong. Sa loob na. Ako na, Kap. Ako nakakaya. Ano naman, si Kap pa nagbubuhat. Ako na. Hindi. Hindi po pwede. Nakakaya. Sabi sa inyo, kasya yan eh. Hey! Let's go. Tawa-tawa si Kabayan ah. Alas 10 po, sarado lahat ang kainan dito, mga establishment.
At may araw pa.
Ngayon po ay alas 9:40 ng gabi dito. Pero maliwanag pa rin. So ngayon, kakain kami ng masarap. Dito lang kami sa Subway. Dito na kami magdi-dinner ng maliwanag. Kakaiba. Anong tawag sa order mo?
Subway Club. Subway.
Parang sarap ah. Subway Club?
O
Turkey,
ano?
ham?
Number 11. The boss niya. Hindi, kanya-kanya.
Sige, ano na lang, the boss.
Oo, the boss.
Hello mga katulo!
Paubos ng tulog. Alam mo, ang tulo na yan. Sila hindi na uubos. Ubos na.
Ganda dito, tingnan nyo. Wow, yan ang scenery oh. Sulitin natin yung pamamasyal dito sa lakefront. Since lakefront siya, obviously dapat meron tayong view. Yan. Water airplane. Yan no. Yung scenery guys oh. Wow. Ganda dito. Ganda. Yes sir. Tagal ka eh. This is the best time na magpicture. Go. Nice, thank you. Okay naman. Ako nawawala na araw, dali nawawala araw.
Huwag po kayo dun sa harap ng bahay ah.
Time check is 10:57. Yan, July 30. 10:57. 59 degrees. This is our first day dito sa Alaska. First breakfast din namin. Yan yung mga kaibigan natin. This is our meal. Not bad. Ngayon naman pupunta na kami doon sa rentahan ng mga motor at check natin anong gagamitin nating motor ngayong araw.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see this every day, and I'm still so.
Dito na kami ngayon sa MotoQuest. Ayan oh, yung mga bikes na gagamitin natin. Which bike? Ang alam ko 1250 yung naka-reserve sa akin eh. Patay, sabi ko sa'yo walang side pannier. Yung mga bike namin, yan, hugasan na. Yung mga motor nila dito, mukhang napasabak ah. Nakita niyo yung dirt na yan? Mukhang magiging exciting yung ride na to because of the dirt. So, binigyan tayo ng tags or MotoQuest souvenir, balaclava, and a cup. Ready to roll. Let's go. Meron tayong kontrata na pipilapan. Pag nag-ride ka dito sa MotoQuest, you have to pay $4,000 US. Ang tawag doon, security. Ano? What you call that?
It's my friend Alfred. He's a blogger.
He's the king of North Korea.
He is?
Yes. Look at him. He's King Jong-un.
Hey, hair's not right. He's too handsome.
Yeah. Helmet provided by me. Of course. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na $4,000 US yung kailangan mong ibigay para sa security. Kala mo sponsorship contract eh, no? Hindi pala. This is a waiver. So any damage, babayaran mo. I-scrutinize mo yung sarili mong bike para ma-secured mo na wala kang extra additional fees na babayaran. Sineset na po yung bike ni Ross. I-check natin yung bike ni Cap. Gagamitin niya yung F750.
Let me show you the top box, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only the top box.
Yeah. Oh, right here.
You could request for the top box. Okay. Samantalang si paring Ross naman ay gamit niya ang BMW 850.
Triple black.
Triple black. How is it?
Okay naman. Good.
Okay. Suspension? Good. Sa Pilipinas, naka 1250 yan. Pero dito, 850 lang siya. My bike number is number 1. Where is the number 1? I need to find it. Okay, this is my bike. Bike number 1. The mileage is 6626. Ang haba na ng biniyahe.
Anyways, we leave
Full
full,
tank.
and when we come back, the last thing we do is we pull in the gas station
Okay.
and fill up again. Okay, so the way this works is we will check the bike.
Okay?
If there's any damage, we mark it on here.
Okay?
Any scratches, that doesn't matter. We don't.
Lots of scratches in the crash guard.
Oh yeah, that doesn't matter.
Yeah. Scratches here. Doesn't matter, okay?
Cosmetic.
Okay.
Like, if you're in the parking lot, you drop the bike, and you scratch it some more. We don't care about that. As
Okay.
long as it's something that has to be repaired and replaced.
Okay.
If it breaks something, then we have to replace it, and then
Okay.
they'll charge. If you bend the rim,
Okay.
you're gonna charge you for that.
Okay.
Just cosmetic stuff, we don't care.
Okay.
So the rims are okay. If you want to take pictures, if you want,
Check the rims.
or just video it.
I guess it's okay because I didn't know if it is aligned or what.
If there's a bend in the rim, it wouldn't be out for rental.
Okay.
Because when the bike comes back, they do an inspection to make sure everything's
Okay.
okay.
There's a problem here. Just
Yeah, it's cracked.
it's cracked.
Yeah, but they don't care about that actually.
They don't care about this. Okay. You could just put it on the. I just need to check everything.
Right.
Scratches on the flarings.
No, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Crash guard is okay. Can we just check it out from here because I cannot see on the back?
Pull it out a bit.
Yeah. Just let's put it out.
Oh yeah, no, everything is. All the bikes are maintained before they
Okay.
go out again. Everything's checked.
I'm
before
just
they
making
go
it
again.
sure because.
Oil changes, new tires, anything that's needed is done.
Okay.
This bike has new tires.
It's a brand new tire here.
So you'll have two side cases and
How about the side fannier?
yeah, we'll have that on there. Yeah,
How about the damage on the engine? What if we have a problem on the engine?
we have two spare
Is that
bikes.
also covered on the?
If there's a problem with the engine, it's not your problem.
It's not my problem.
We carry two spare bikes with us.
Okay, good. Just making sure everything is good.
So you accept the
Sure. Kayo. Okay.
If you want to sign here that you accept it in this condition.
Okay. Let.
He's with us on tour?
No, he's my subscriber.
Oh,
Sure.
He's not on tour with us?
No, he's not on tour. He's my subscriber. He lives here.
Oh, he lives here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay na. Ready na tayo. No, they're going to put aside. We have a subscriber here.
Wow.
Yes. Tara, picture tayo, Mami. Come on, let's take a picture with the... Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ah. Ah.
1, 2.
Yun.
Hello mga taga Negros.
Oy, mga taga-Negros pa. Ano pangalan mo, bro?
Bacolod City po.
Bacolod
RJ.
City, RJ. Alfred,
po,
ah.
RJ.
Alfred. Sticker, bro. Yan, bigyan kita ng marami.
Sige,
Para sa mga Pinoy friends natin dito.
Ingat po kayo sa biyahe.
Thank you, brother. Naka-Harley ka?
Opo.
Nice bike, ha? Kala ko mag-ride tayo on Sunday.
Sunday po taming Glenallen.
Sino kasama?
Mga Pilipino
Filipino riders
din.
din.
Oo, mga Filipino riders din. Pero pag malapit kayo sa route namin,
Tara, sabay kayo sa amin.
kailan ba yung unang ride nyo?
tomorrow?
Suward kayo bukas? Pwede.
Tara, come and join us.
Sige po, message na lang po.
Ingat.
Ingat ha. Lagi pinapanood yung YouTube mo. Yung mga business.
Sige. Thank you Thank you.
Sige po, ingat po kayo.
Good luck.
Oh, thank you. See you on tomorrow maybe if you can come.
Sige po, message na lang kayo.
Bye-bye. We have a rich subscriber here. Madaming Pilipino ang nag-aaya sa akin mag-ride dito sa linggo. Pero sadly, hindi ako makakapag-ride with them kasi very busy din tayo ngayon dahil nakasama tayo sa tour. Ito yung mga route nila na nga napuntahan. Yan. Dami nilang. Yan yung mga pupuntahan natin. May yelo. Hopefully, ma-experience natin lahat yan. Di ba? May polar bear pa. Here's the pictures of some of their clients maybe. Pupunta kami sa isang motorcycle shop ngayon kasi wala kami masyadong gear dito. Let's go! Ang laki ng truck natin Wow! Kakandungin kita. Dito tayo ngayon sa mga gear supply dito sa Alaska. Daming patch dito Ang ganda dito papatahi mo.
Daddy.
Nipple makes me smile. Oh, can I see it? Ma'am, I like this.
Sige, kuha ka na yan.
So, may mga leather, puro kang Harley Most of the time, makikita nyo dito, lahat halos pang Harley na ang ganda rin ito dahil palang mga accessories dito Ang ganda Magkano yan? I think mas mura dito. Siguro nasa yan, 18,000 dito yan. This is waterproof na. Naka-Gore-Tex ka na Ayun na, waterproof na siya. Hindi ka nalalamigin dyan. You don't need to wear surgical gloves. I'm gonna buy this too. Okay na ako dito. Ano yan? Bagay mo yan, Kailan mainit yan. Tito Bong, di ba mahilig ka sa mga bright colors kasi laging nakikita? Halika dito. Ito dapat sa'yo,
Wow.
Ayan,
Can you see me now?
Aso.
Baka sampalin ako bigla.
Marami mga galit sa'yo dyan.